What? Stock STI exhaust? La 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 la! Today we are buying something that I do not currently own. And what do I not currently own? A floor jack. I do not, as funny as it sounds, I do not have a floor jack. And you know, speaking of something I don't own, you should buy something you don't own. Go in the link down below. Get your official QR code plus classic logo t-shirt, women's v-neck, classic hoodie. If you want just a classic logo that's on the back, you can get that too, just by itself. It'll be blasted on the front like the original concept shirt we made. They are actually available now in the link down below. I love you, Harbor Freight. We love you, even though a lot of people hate you. Thanks for the floor jack. $100. Oh, and the STI is not quiet anymore, by the way. I didn't record anything because, I don't know, I got kind of distracted talking to the guy who was running the exhaust shop. So we were just kind of bullshitting back and forth, and the camera was in the car, obviously, so I didn't record shit, but the STI is officially loud. Shout out to Adriel for giving me that NVIDIA N1 muffler. We are back, baby, with a NVIDIA N1, and I gotta sell my HKS. Anyone wanna buy an HKS exhaust for GD chassis? Hit your boy up. I'm actually gonna post it on Facebook right now, since I'm not doing shit anyway. We're just sitting here waiting for the car to finish getting smogged. I'm gonna post that on Facebook. I'm gonna post a fuel pump that I have, an AEM fuel pump lying around. AEM sent me a brand new fuel pump, actually. I don't know why. They didn't tell me they were gonna do this, but they sent me a brand new fuel pump sealed in the box. And obviously I already have the Walbro installed, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna post that for sale and try to sell that. Hopefully maybe I can sell it this weekend if I'm lucky. Well, first of all, not even in my car. I am driving the Schnicky Doodles STI. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No, I don't know if you can see this from here, but look. So we opened a Chick-fil-A right here in my city, right? There's some fucking crackheads here that wait an hour in line to get Chick-fil-A. Who? Chick-fil-A is not that good. Unpopular opinion, Chick-fil-A is overrated. All right, so here's the actual game plan for tonight. We are going to do Nikki's headlights. Twinkie might black out his headlights. And then in a couple hours, we are going to meet over here in the Happy Burger with Adriel and the boys. But I'm thinking about making this headlight video into a whole separate video because I'm actually gonna make a tutorial. My first tutorial on... No, it's not my first tutorial on YouTube. My first tutorial on YouTube is how to drive manual transmission. Keep that right here. But I think we are going to make that into a whole nother video because I'm actually gonna show step by step on how to black out your headlights for less than $10. It actually is that cheap. You just gotta buy the paint, which is usually around $8. You only need one can. But I'll do that. I'm gonna do that tutorial, how to black out headlights. So this won't be the headlight video. The next video will be the headlight video. The giveaway is extended till next Saturday, so if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, click here, go enter the giveaway, and we will be picking a winner next Saturday. I'm actually gonna go live on YouTube and pick a winner live, screen sharing and everything, because for those of you who don't know, I used to stream on Twitch a lot, so I do know how to go live. So we will go live on YouTube, pick a winner live. It might be like a 20-30 minute stream tops, and that'll be that. Well, let's get into the next few activities of the day besides the headlight tutorial. Got the Great Fambino in the house with the, what do you got?
Yes, sir.
Next activity of the day. Oh, came with downfire clips. Oh,
so
he got
nice.
money. Fourth brake light for Fambino.
Yes, sir.
For those of you that don't know how to install a fourth brake light, including Fambino, she does not know how to do it, so I'm gonna tell him right now. You pop this cover off and you just literally just put it right in there and it fits. Easy. And you wire it into your current brake lights. You just tap it in there.
I'm video because
We're showing you how to. Shaq's telling me how people like to vlog. Oh, this is Shaq. Hi, Shaq.
How you doing?
Shaq lives in Sac, and Shaq's in town from Sac to visit us. Me and Shaq go way back. Not way back. We go back 6 years.
About 6
Yeah,
years.
6, 7 years, something like that.
6 years. 6.
6 years, yeah. We go back about 6 years. But Shaq's in town right now visiting us. He was watching us make the tutorial video, and we're talking about how awkward people talk to cameras. Emma, shut up. We're watching Degrassi. It's really loud. We're talking about how awkward people talk to cameras. I'm fucking cracked, though. Everyone knows me. I'm cracked. Shaq watches my videos, too, and he said I'm cracked in every video, and he's right.
He just hit a line right now.
I had a line of G Fuel right now. Someone took a G Fuel.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to a vlog, yo. Hey, fam.
Don't even put me in the camera right now.
Yeah,
man.
bro.
I'm so frustrated right now.
I'm mad.
What are you doing?
fam.
What are you doing?
I'm so mad. He's mad, but look at this.
Step,
Oh,
bro.
let me flip it upside down.
Step, bro. I got stuck on the oven, step, bro.
Damn, fam, you realize you fucked up, right? I don't know. He didn't realize how much he fucked up. What he fucked up on. Let me see if he got. Yeah. You painted it on purpose?
Okay.
I asked him that too.
Damn, he's probably gonna get brighter ones later. He's cracked.
Or just my new headlights.
It might look completely fucking. Actually, this would be a unique setup. Because no one's. I've never seen anyone black out their sea light too.
That's legit what I was telling them.
It's gonna be cracked. Look at this.
See?
Coming out the play.
Now we're playing attorney or no?
Never comes out no more. Look who's sitting on the couch.
Oh, what?
Hey. It's been a while.
Recording some moments here, man.
I'm recording the moments here because we don't see Shaq that often. I literally just talked about Shaq, how we never see him.
Oh, yeah, because I'm like 3 hours away, dude.
True.
Facts.
Yeah. It's kind of hard.
What is it now?
Yeah.
You finish them up?
Yeah, I'm finished
Trust
him.
me, I'll come here as much as I can if I could. But...
Yeah.
I just try to clip
this.
Unique setup though.
Like,
All
COVID
completely
hit,
black.
I got harder.
Oh, yeah.
Used to be orange lights there, but they're not there no more.
Y'all ever seen a fucking WRX without sea lights? Here you go. Looks mean as shit. Fam did it on accident, but it looks really good.
So
No,
you-
really, it does look good. Turn them off, fam. Look at it. Looks cracked.
I don't need them in the day anyways. It's like,
Nah, it's cool.
what's the point?
Looks good, man. I like it. I actually really like it. Like, damn, something different. Hello, boys.
Sad. I'm tired. I'm a little hungry.
How you feeling, Snick?
Hungry.
Same attitude on mood right now. Hungry. Listen to how good it sounds. Ah, but yes, as the video title says, I unintentionally made my car really loud. Okay, I kind of knew it was gonna be loud. So now we are all NVIDIA N1s. Me, Nikki, Adriel, all NVIDIA N1, baby. Speaking of Schnicky. Hey, boo boo. How you doing? Oh yeah, we're actually going to Cars and Coffee right now. Early in the morning. It's Sunday, 10:30. Okay, it's not that early. It's 10:30. We're going to Cars and Coffee. Cars are washed. Cars are clean. I'm gonna go pick up my HKS high power catback because we're selling that today as well. And we're selling it to a new subscriber actually. I found this guy saw me on Facebook Marketplace and subbed to the channel. So shout out to you, sir. See you in a bit. This is Dan, the man buying the catback. Dan, tell me your hatch. STI hatch. Hold on. Let me show the people. STI hatch.
That's
Now,
no way.
I'm making him repeat it again. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries. A nut went through the turbo and it blew up. Went through the intercooler in the motor, so it's got a STI short block in it. New intercooler, a Blausch 16G turbo. NVIDIA high flow cat downpipe to SPT exhaust. It's on Owens 22mm white lines in front and rear. Electronic boost control solenoid. Tuned by Eric at Torque Performance. Carboy short shifter and shift knob.
What power did it make? I didn't even ask.
I haven't tuned it yet, or dynoed it yet, excuse me.
Oh, was it E-tune or?
Yeah, it's just an
E-tune? Oh,
E-tune.
okay, gotcha.
Yeah. But it feels all of 300 to the ground, which is more than enough for my daily.
Fuck yeah.
There's a bunch of other stuff on it that I can't remember right now, but yeah, fun little whip.
It's all good. But then, okay, if you're buying this, then why are you buying this if you have a hatch? Wink, wink.
For 5 years I watched a silver bug-eye wagon go by my house with this lady driving it, and she came by the other day in a new Chevy truck, asked what was going on with the truck. She said her car blew up, she was gonna get it fixed and sell it. I said forget about it, I'll take it broken. JDM motor, now we're doing coils, exhaust, intake, and just going for it. So yeah, addicted to these Subarus.
What? Right-hand drive?
Yep.
All right, sir. Tell us about this car, please.
Yeah, so my buddy bought this off the lot in Yokohama for $8K. It wasn't beyond the 25-year threshold that it takes to import a car back to America.
Wait, what year is it?
This is 1995.
Fuck.
So he left before me, so he gave it to me after putting a little bit of work in it, and then I kind of just held on to it until it was 25 years old. Imported it back to the States. A lot of paperwork. If you believe it or not, the Japanese DMV system is like worse than ours.
Are you serious?
It's very bureaucratic. you forget one piece of paper that has like a very particular stamp on it. Like they make you like start over essentially.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's not fun, but completely worth it. This car is awesome. I really like this car.
Yeah, it looks cool as shit.
Yeah.
1995. Fuck yeah, WRX.
For a 26-year-old car, I think she's pretty clean.
Fuck yeah, she is.
Might redo the paint in a little bit. The hood's got some scratches on it, but other than that,
Honestly, I didn't even notice that. It's fucking. I think it's like those little things that like car owners notice that other people don't. You know, it's like, oh, I see this shit, I see this shit. I'm like, where? But I do the same thing about my car. I'm like, I see this, I see that. No one else sees it. It's just those things that we get in our head and we know it's there, so it bothers us.
Yeah. My biggest worry about this car is changing it up too much. I kind of like the way that it looks, like the classic JDM look, the way it looks right now.
Fuck yeah.
Like any type of like body kit modification, I think would change it a little bit more than I would like. Even the under the hood, other than just parts that broke, it's almost all completely stock.
Can we see it?
If you want.
Oh yeah.
It's not exciting.
It's exciting to me. We're popping hoods.
The first part that broke was the water pump, this one, and it also took the entire timing belt with it.
I believe it, yeah.
I almost like lost probably some valves, but I didn't. I got really lucky just because this is an interference engine, so like I got just incredibly lucky that none of the valves were damaged.
Fuck yeah, shit's cool as fuck.
But yeah, other than like the belts, like this part of the pump, everything else is pretty much stock. The suspension is SCS suspension, so that's changed. It's got the coilovers and the HKS exhaust, but and the wheels, but
that's literally what I just told this man, or an HKS exhaust.
Yep. They're literally the same one. I'm pretty sure.
High power.
One.
HKS high power. Yeah. Now y'all already know I wasn't gonna make an exhaust video without any exhaust clips. So I came out here kind of to the middle of nowhere. Not really. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's a couple of houses out here, but no one really should give a shit. It's the middle of the day. It's 2:45 p.m. right now. I'm gonna do a couple revs and let you guys hear the exhaust and how it sounds now, and we'll talk about the setup after I'm done. Still nice and quiet when you need it to be. I haven't got any drone yet, surprisingly. As loud as this thing is, like when you're outside the car and just like revving it and stuff, I surprisingly have not gotten any drone, and I like that. But more about the setup right now, 1 second. Let me show y'all what my dumbass did. You can't really see it. There's a nice crack right there. But like Shaq told me, I pretty much jinxed myself because I talked about how polyurethane, I've never cracked a polyurethane lip in my life. Well, times changed, I've cracked a polyurethane lip. But we're gonna replace it with something good. Should I replace the poly lip with the carbon fiber one? Let me know. Let me know. Because I've really been thinking about it. I had to be careful with carbon. I do really want one. It'd go good with the carbon fiber diffusion I've been eyeing. So here's what I did. I put my stock exhaust back on because I was selling the HKS. Like I said, I mentioned. I sold the HKS today. Again, Dan, shout out to you for being so fucking cool. And to everyone else I met today. I sold the HKS. I had my stock exhaust on, and I thought if I cut the resonator out, it would be, well, you know, decent volume. I was wrong. It was quiet as, like, super quiet. I couldn't hear anything. It literally sounded like I didn't even cut the resonator out. So Adriel, we all know and love Adriel, hooked me up with that signal exit muffler. Took it to the shop, got it welded on, cut, welded a new pipe on, and attached it to stock mid pipe. So it's basically catless downpipe, the one that we customized in the video here, to stock mid pipe with the resonator delete, followed by the end one on the end. It's only a 2.5 inch piping. I mean, I don't mind, honestly. It sounds really, really good. And that's literally it. If you like the way my car sounds, that's all you gotta do. Is if you want, you could literally just cut your stock muffler off and get a high quality muffler. I know some people don't consider NVIDIA high quality, but I consider them, I think they're pretty high quality. I've never had issues, fitment issues or anything like that with them. But that's it. It's my setup. Stock mid pipe, catless down pipe, and an NVIDIA muffler. NVIDIA N1 muffler. Sounds really good.